Literatur, Rintik Seduh and Kim Eun-jong. Introduction. Literature broadly is any collection of written work, but it is also used more narrowly for writing specifically considered to be an art form, especially prose fiction, drama, and poetry. In recent centuries, the definition has expanded to include oral literature, much of which has been transcribed. Literature as an art form can also include works in various non-fiction genres such as biography, diaries, memoir, letters, and the essay. Within its broad definition, literature includes non-fictional books, articles, or other printed information on a particular subject. Etymologically, the term derives from Latin literatura, means learning, a writing grammar, originally writing form with letters from litera. In spite of this, the term has also been applied to spoken or sung text. Developments in print technology have allowed an ever-growing distribution and proliferation of written works, which now includes electronic literature. Literature is classified according to whether it is poetry, prose, or drama, and such works are categorized according to historical periods or their adherence to certain aesthetic features or genre. First, Rintik Seduh. Rintik Seduh is one of the most famous modern literary writers in Indonesia. Rintik Seduh is only a pseudonym when she first wrote so that her friends wouldn't know her. Her real name is Nadifa Aliasana, who was born on May 4, 1998. Her passion for writing makes her want other people to see her work. Therefore, every week she sends her work to the school wall magazine. However, none of her works were on display, so she decided to ask for her work back and write it on her personal blog without worrying about anyone reading it or not. There was a reader who suggested that she write on the Wattpad application, which was hype at that time. Finally, she tried to write the story Jis dan Anne on Wattpad and got a lot of positive responses. The name Rintik Seduh was not thought to be a pen name or an alias, but the way to hide her identity so that her friends don't know who wrote the book Isana. Rintik means lighter than the rain. People who are exposed to raindrops will dry out more easily than people who are exposed to rain. Then she combines it with Seduh, which has the meaning of the weeping people or all that was said. So when someone reads her works like a pin, it dries easily and quickly. She has written 7 books. There are Jis and 1, Jis dan and 2, Buku Rahasia Jis, Buku Minta Dibanting, Masih Ingatkah Kau Jalan Pulang, and Jis dan and 3. Jis dan and is Sana's first work on Wattpad. After getting a very positive response, Sana then officially published this book in 2017. This book is increasingly in demand and loved by many people, especially teenagers. So it is made into a romantic drama film with the same title in 2021 with Julia Roberts and Hanggini Burindareto as the main actors. This book tells about the journey of a pair of young people who are in love and find the meaning of commitment, and is an independent girl who always tells the truth, is good at teasing, and wants a love that can long last time. She falls in love with Jis, who is described as a converted man with mysterious nature. Their accidental meeting brings them both face to face with various problems that are quite complicated. Sana's next book that is now less popular is Kata. This book was first published in 2018 with a cover of the silhouette of a couple in the twilight sky. This is also closely related to the content of the novel, which tells of twilight that lost its sky. This book tells the story of a woman named Binta with an untidy appearance, prefers to be alone, still likes to listen to music on old school tapes, and is very fond and meet a man named Nugraha. Nugraha, a student majoring in architecture who looks very neat and very friendly, is attracted to approach Binta, who he thought was different from the other women he met. It turns out that Binta has a childhood friend she called Biru, who is in Banda Naira. Biru never called her Binta, but he called her Senjani. Biru is very different from Nugraha because he preferred adventure and created poetic quotes that could make Binta smile. However, eventually they had their own way of life. Binta and Nugraha married and raised a household while Biru continued his journey alone in Banda Neira. Sana also published a book with a unique and unusual title, Buku Minta Dibanting. This book contains messages that are very relevant to the lives of young people today. The book, which was published in 2020, has become one of her favorite books. The book was like a joke to her because the book is dedicated to people who have difficulty in expressing. In the future, there will be a continuation of the book, namely Buku Minta Disayang and Buku Tahan Banting. This book is kind of like a collection of poems. This book contains poetic words related to the life of a single person that can make readers smile for themselves. It also teaches us not to get carried away easily with other people, so we can forget someone from our past. The back cover explains why Si Rintik Seduh chose Blue and Blue as illustrations. In short, Blue and Blue are generally understood as mirror image of a Rintik Seduh reader who is single, lonely, in need of love, but cannot say anything. This book makes it that no one is truly alone. As the title suggests, readers will be annoyed that this book has been slashed. Nadifa Aliasana said that Buku Minta Dibanting seemed to be inspired by readers of her book, and now Rintik Seduh's position was when she was on social media. Next is Kim Eun-jong. Kim Eun-jong is one of the writers from South Korea whose works has been worldwide. All of her books have been published in various countries and translated into various languages, including Indonesia. Kim Eun-jong was born in 1975. Since middle school, her writings are often read by her friends. With the help of her brother's friend, her novel entitled Love is Not Just for Adults was published. When she was in high school, her work selected to be nominated for Best Poetry at the Beijing Literary Award. Since then, she dreamed of becoming a literary writer. She continues to work by producing children's stories, essays, and others. She was confused by the genre of her work, which was too varied, so she ventured her work on My Club. Good luck came to her in the middle of 2018. Unfortunately, it is very difficult to find a real photo of Kim Eun-jong because there are many similar names who also have important professions in South Korea. So I Married the Anti-Fan. This book was first published in 2010, which tells the story of an idol who meets his anti-fan. Inadvertently, Lee Geun-young, who is an anti-fan of Hoo-jun, suddenly has to live together. They initially live only for an event that required them to live together in the same house, but over time they began to fall in love and Hoo-jun asked Lee Geun-young to marry in real life. This novel has been adapted into a film in China with the main roles are Chanyeol of EXO and Yuan San-san in 2016, and adapted into a drama in South Korea with Chae Tae-jun and Chae Soo-young as the main characters. Kim Eun-jong's next novel, entitled My Boyfriend's Wedding Dress, was published in 2012 after the novel So I Married the Anti-Fan. This novel has title that sounds unusual because it states that the owner of the wedding dress is a boyfriend, not a girlfriend, that they were fighting over a woman's dress. This novel tells of Han Sek-kyung and Oh Ye-rin, who ordered a wedding dress from the same Italian fashion designer but was sent to the wrong dress. Ye-rin's dress was sent to Korea, while Sek-kyung's dress was sent to America. On the other hand, Cho Hae-yoon, who is an urban lawyer, is asked to marry the grandson of the person who has paid for his life, named Ye-rin, but Ye-rin doesn't like him and will be willing to marry and then divorce as long as Hae-yoon can find her wedding dress, which turns out to be in Sek-kyung. But in the end, Sek-kyung, who married Hae-yoon, wore the dress. Cheeky romance. The novel, which was first printed in 2012, is Kim Eun-jung's fourth novel. This novel tells about a unique story between the national pregnant woman and the national obstetrician. Yoo Chae, who works as a reporter, is live broadcasting extreme food at a restaurant. But because of her strange behavior, So Yoon-pyo, who is an obstetrician, gets the wrong idea. He thought that Yoo Chae was a pregnant woman out of wedlock and was depressed, so she wanted to eat extreme foods. But it turns out that Yoo Chae is reunited in a documentary that highlights the work of a doctor where Yoon-pyo works. Thank you.